Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is McGarren Jones. I'm a real estate broker here in Orlando, Florida. And today I'm going to be showing you guys an enormous and beautiful remodel that was just done here in the middle of Celebration. Now I'm sure there's a lot of echo because this house is enormous and there's no furniture yet. So let's go to a place where there's a little less echo so I can tell you a little bit about this house. One of the other agents in the brokerage just barely sold this house, and usually I would do videos with houses that are currently on the market, but the thing is this house sold in one day. So just to give you guys a little bit of a background about this house. It was built in 1996. It's located here right in the heart of Celebration. It's got 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and just over 3,000 square feet. Now because this house was built in 1996, it had a pretty old style to it. I'll show you guys some pictures here of what it used to look like as I show you what it looks like now. But this house was the perfect opportunity for one of the best remodel flips I have ever seen in my career. I myself have flipped a lot of houses. I've seen a lot of people flip houses, but this is by far the best one I've ever seen, and I'll show you guys why. I'll show you guys exactly what they did. I'll show you guys what it looked like before and what it looks like now, so you guys can get an idea of what it takes to do such a good flip. So as soon as this house came on the market, another agent in my brokerage, he saw this opportunity and he called one of his clients and he said, "This is a great opportunity. You have to jump on this right now." Soon after, they purchased it and then they started the remodel. And surprisingly, in 50 days, which is really quick for a house this size, they were able to get back over $160,000 on their investment. So it was a very good flip and a very quick turnaround. So now that you know a little bit about the background of the house, I want to show you guys how the remodel went. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take you guys room to room, show you what it used to look like and what it looks like now. Let's go ahead and get started in this enormous living room here. This room has 8 windows, enormous window. I've actually seen some of these models of homes. Sometimes they actually take out some of these windows and put a door there so you can have access to the back porch. So this floor plan is actually one of the most popular here in Celebration. As you can see, it's got very high ceilings and it has direct view to the stairway here, which I think is gorgeous. Also, you're connected to your kitchen here, and I'll show you guys a little bit of the kitchen, but first let me show you what it used to look like. So here's what the kitchen used to look like in this house. It was actually blue, and they had some pretty old style cabinetry. So what they actually did was remodel, repainted, and put in some brand new cabinets and countertops. So one of the main things that they did here is they brightened up the space. They really used these enormous windows that this floor plan has, and they made everything a lot wider so that the house looks even bigger than it actually is. I mean, it's already 3,000 square feet, but the white paint and the high ceilings makes it feel even bigger and brighter, especially with these white cabinets and these new modern quartz countertops. It's a very modern feel with this nice cooktop here. Also has the cool hood right there. I love that. I don't think I'd ever use it to actually vent my food, but I just use it to show off because it's cool. Also downstairs here, right next to the kitchen, one of the other reasons I love this floor plan is because of these little small details that we have next to the kitchen. One of the many things that I love about this floor plan is that right next to the kitchen here, you have a full-size bathroom right next to the door that goes into the back porch where the pool is. I think it's great. Not only that space is great with a lot of benefits, you have just on the other side here, your laundry room right here, very convenient. But as you can see, and as you will see, they just made this whole place a lot wider and brighter, and they have some good contrast with some of these black colors and some of the black fixtures, even this black railing here on the stairs. With these contrasts, I think they look fantastic. They even have some of the fixtures in the bathrooms and the kitchen black as well. Another really cool thing about this floor plan is that here in the living room you have your fireplace, which is the same fireplace that is in the master bedroom right here. They're actually connected. The 2 fireplaces are connected. It's the same natural wood burning fireplace in the living room and in the master bedroom. I just walked into the very bright master bathroom here. I was hoping that the echo would be a little bit less, but it's not because this whole house is enormous. So as you'll see in some of the before pictures, this house actually had a lot of pretty interesting wallpapers. And so I want to show you guys what the bathroom used to look like and what it looks like now, because it is a night and day difference. You can see here in the camera, as I'm talking, it's almost just completely white behind me. Just super bright, opening, warm, and white. And this is what you need to turn the old bathroom into. As you can see, they completely remodeled everything in this bathroom. They have new cabinets, new quartz countertops, new lighting fixtures, a new standalone tub, and a new shower with the frameless glass doors. Love it. One of my favorite parts is this marble floor right here that just shines and reflects all this beauty. Heading back to the front of the house, I didn't get to show you guys, but you have a entry room here on this side, and then on the other side of the door you have an office or a bedroom. It's actually your second downstairs bedroom. I had a client who was interested in this home, and they were worried about their brand new baby being upstairs and the master being downstairs. But technically, this is a bedroom right here, right in front. There's 2 bedrooms down here on the first floor, and they could easily have their baby right down here on the first floor with them. As I'm going up the stairs, I'm reminded that even the stairs were completely remodeled. If you guys look before, there were tiles on the stairs. It was a completely different color, and the whole house was just covered in wallpaper. The upstairs has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. They definitely kept with the same pattern of making everything brighter and lighter, and it really made a big difference upstairs as well. As you can see in some of these bathrooms, they look twice as big and 10 times as beautiful. All the rooms got brand new paint, and the whole house got brand new flooring. Now I want to go in the backyard and show you guys the back porch and pool area, which is actually a very good size for here in the heart of Celebration. But before we go back there, I want to show you my favorite part of this whole transformation. You remember this full bath here next to the kitchen that also has access to the pool area? Well, check out the wallpaper that was in this bathroom before it got remodeled. Yes, cow print. I've never seen a cow print wallpaper before, and honestly, I hope I never do. I was thinking of putting it actually in my house without my wife knowing, so that she can come home and see a cow print wallpaper. But heading into the back porch now, it's a very spacious, beautiful back porch, and it was also remodeled as well. Over here in the pool area, I want to show you guys something that they did keep that I thought was a really good choice of keeping. So here in the pool area, you can actually have lunch or dinner or whatever you'd like. It's a little table you're welcome to use how you may. Over here in the corner, there's a perfect little jacuzzi area here. Not too big, but also not too small. Fits a couple perfectly. As customary here in Celebration, there is a detached 2-car garage, which has its own private road entrance here in the back. It's actually pretty common here in Celebration to have a detached garage. They wanted, as they built Celebration, they wanted to kind of keep the feeling of a clean curb appeal, so most of the houses actually have the garage in the backyard. And that, my friends, is a perfect example of a beautiful remodel done here in Orlando, Florida. I was very impressed that they remodeled the home so quickly and made such a good profit on it. Now, like I said, this house sold in 1 day. But if you guys like the home, there's others here in Celebration like it. And if you guys are interested in finding a home like this one, my email is down in the description. I would love to send you guys some options just like this one. Or if you guys are interested in the business part of it and you want to find a house that has not been remodeled yet, I can definitely help you with that as well. There's plenty of options here in Celebration since most of the homes were built in the 90s. And right now is the time for them to be remodeled. But once again, if you guys want to contact me, my email is down in the description. Thank you so much you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you guys want to keep seeing more videos like this, feel free to subscribe because I'll try and do around 2 to 3 videos a week for you guys. Thanks so much again, guys, for watching. Until next time. See ya.